Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use offset command. Let's start. We will type O. Now this offset is pop up. Click offset. Now we have to select which element or line you want to offset. Okay, I select this center line and which side you want to offset. So you have to move the cursor that side. Let's say this side I want 20. Line is created. Again we use offset. We select this one. Now this side I want 40. I simply type 40. This line is offset 40 that side. After selecting the line, you have to move in that direction cursor which you want to offset. Okay. So another one here. Again we use offset. I select this one. Now it's showing below multiple times. We can do multiple time also. For this you have to type here M and you have to give a distance. Let's I give this one 20. Next one is 40. Next one is 60. Next one is 80. Next one is 100. So every time you give the distance, it will select from this reference point only. So this is the multiple time we can do the offset. This is for the single line. Now, if I want to offset this circle, this one, then simply click offset, select the circle. I want outside, so I move the cursor outside. I want it 10. The circle is move outside. Let's say I want this cursor inside. I move the cursor inside. I offset 10. That cursor is circle is moved by offset by 10 inside. We will try here for this rectangle. Offset. I want offset outside 10. This rectangle is offset by 10 outside. I want this rectangle to offset inside 10. It's offset inside. So this is the way to use the offset command in AutoCAD. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.